Hey everyone, it's Kelsea Lowery from North Arkansas College Center for Teaching and Learning. And today I'm going to show you how to get on a GoToMeeting web meeting. If this is your first time on GoToMeeting, when you click on join, it will ask you to download the app. So we're going to download. And we're going to open. And it'll take a few minutes. So you want to log in a little bit early. All right, there we go. All right, here we go. And so it says your meeting is starting. So we're going to connect to computer audio always and save and continue. All right, so then it's going to ask you to select your webcam and your speakers. And usually your computer will pull that information for you. Mine is correct, so I'm going to save and continue. And I'm going to say, oh, that's weird. Oh, it's not getting mine. Okay. Okay, there we go. And so then it's going to walk you through your main meeting controls. So we are muted because the mic is slashed out. So if you unclick it, you are unmuted. Your camera is on, but if you click on that, it'll slash through it and it'll turn your camera off. And you can still talk while your camera is off. Your screen, this allows you to share your screen. So you can click on screen and then click on share. So you're viewing my screen. Up here, you can stop your share like normal. And we're going to turn on the camera one more time. All right, and then leave the meeting. So basically, it's pretty simple. Up here is your chat feature. So you click on that and you can enter a chat that just says like hi, and it will send it to everyone in your group, in your web meeting. So I'm actually going to leave the meeting and I'm going to show you how to get there from a calendar invite. So we're going to leave and yes, leave. And then here is, let's double click here. Okay, please join my meeting. So you'll see this link, you'll click on it, and you want to open the meeting. All right, and we got it, and okay, I'm ready. All right, and we are on here again. We're gonna unmute, and that's how you go to a GoToMeeting.